Hello aspirants, in this video I am going to discuss about how to cover current affairs for prelims 2023. See, if we see in UPSC prelims, every year many current affairs based questions are asked. So it is very important to cover current affairs effectively to score 110 plus to or 120 तक प्रीलिम्स में स्कोर करने के लिए करंट अफेयर्स काफी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है. सो इन दिस वीडियो विल डिस्कस अबाउट हाउ टू कवर करंट अफेयर्स इफेक्टिवली एंड टू score good marks in current affairs based questions from prelims. So first thing is newspapers. See, everyone knows the importance of newspapers to cover current affairs, but many aspirants are doing mistake with respect to newspaper reading. So first thing is you need to just read one newspaper, not more than one newspaper. See, either Hindu or Indian Express, just one newspaper. Agar if you are reading Hindu, then stick with it, or if you are reading like Indian Express, then stick with it. No need to read both. ठीक है, both are good newspapers, just stick to one. I would personally recommend you to read Hindu. And another important thing is read newspaper for 40 to 60 minutes only, not more than that. See, agar मान ले if you are taking 2 hours to read a newspaper, that means you are wasting 1 hour. Yes, so just stick with 40 to 1 hour max, not more than 1 hour. ठीक है, focus on important topics like from where UPSC is asking questions, focus on editorials etc. Then no need to make notes from newspaper. Yes, see, many aspirants are making notes from editorials, notes from articles etc etc. Don't do that. No need to make notes. See, newspaper reading is basically to get basic understanding of various things happening in the world and in India. So don't think you will get like 10 questions or you will be able to address 10 questions in prelims by reading newspaper. ये नहीं होने वाला है. At max you can get like 1 or 2 questions in prelims by reading newspapers. Yes, trust me, अगर ये 1-2 क्वेश्चन भी हो रहा है, that means you are reading newspaper really well. So don't expect कि न्यूज़पेपर से 10 क्वेश्चन होगा, नहीं होगा, because UPSC is asking questions in such a level that you need extensive study of current affairs. ठीक है, देन चलते हैं कि second source to read current affairs, that is current affairs monthly magazines of coaching institutes like Vision IAS monthly magazines, like Insights IAS monthly magazines, or Rao's monthly magazines, or Wajiram IAS ka monthly magazines. I would personally recommend you to prefer Vision IAS monthly magazines. See, other institutes monthly magazines are also good, but I have been reading Vision IAS monthly magazines since past 5 years. So I would personally recommend you to read Vision IAS monthly magazines. अब Vision IAS monthly magazines, you need to cover 12 months prior to prelims का. Like for a prelims 2023, it is in May 2023, right? So for prelims 2023, you need to cover monthly magazines from April 2022 to April 2023, like April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, again Jan, Feb and March 2023 and April 2023. इन सारे महीने का मंथली मैगजीन्स पढ़ना है. And not just reading once or twice is sufficient. You need to read each magazine 4 to 5 times before prelims. Yes, each of these magazines you need to read 4 to 5 times before prelims. See, many aspirants are reading these magazines only once or twice and going to prelims examination. नो, ऐसा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं होने वाला. यू वोंट बी एबल टू रिमेंबर द फैक्ट्स, रिकॉल इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स एक्सेट्रा. सो 4-5 बार पढ़ना है. सी हाउ टू रीड magazines 4 to 5 times before prelims. I already made a video on this, so I will attach the video here. You can just go and watch that video. Then questions, you can expect like 10 to 12 questions from these magazines. Yes, bulk of the questions you will be able to solve if you read these magazines effectively. अगर 4-5 बार पढ़ा है तो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. I have been reading Vision IAS monthly magazines, and every year I would be able to solve like at least 10 questions from these magazines. And next thing is mock test current affairs based questions. Like say you are giving mock test, like Vision IAS ka mock test you are giving, or like Forum IAS ka mock test you are giving. So in those mock tests there would be few questions from current affairs. अब उस क्वेश्चंस का क्या है कि देर आर मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस विल बी फ्रॉम दीज मंथली मैगजीन्स ओनली. लाइक विजन का दे रहा है, इनसाइट्स का दे रहा है, या फोरम का दे रहा है, तो मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आर फ्रॉम मंथली मैगजीन्स. बट देर वुड बी सम 3 to 4 questions in every monthly magazine, every test, or like say full length test में some 10 to 15 questions based on current affairs which are not covered in these monthly magazines. Yeah, not covered in these monthly magazines, but they can be asked in UPSC prelims. See, monthly magazines में सब कुछ कवर नहीं कर सकते ना. So जो चीजें not covered in monthly magazines you need to cover from mock test current affairs based questions. And जो भी important है उनका notes बनाना है. Just make notes like say 4 to 5 points of 4 to 5 क्वेश्चंस का बनाना है. एंड एंटायर करंट अफेयर्स का नोट्स मस्ट नॉट बी मोर देन 50 पेजेस फिर ईयर. सो इस 50 पेजेस में पूरा जो भी जितने भी क्वेश्चंस आता है जो इंपॉर्टेंट है कवर नहीं किया, कवर दोस क्वेश्चंस. एंड मेक श्योर कि आपका इन नोट से एटलीस्ट 3 to 4 क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड इन प्रीलिम्स. So this is the smart way to cover current affairs exhaustively. See, and don't read more than one. बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं कि like विजन का भी पढ़ रहा है, करंट अफेयर्स मैगजीन्स एंड इनसाइट्स का भी पढ़ रहा है. Don't do that. Rather than doing this, just stick to one magazine and do mock tests of various coaching institutes. लाइक विजन आईएएस का भी करो, फोरम आईएएस का भी करो, इनसाइट्स का भी करो, ठीक है. एंड उधर से जो भी कवर नहीं किया इन सारे टेस्ट सीरीज के टेस्ट से करंट अफेयर्स, वो उनका नोट्स बना लो एंड मेक श्योर कि उन नोट से 3-4 क्वेश्चन आपका प्रीलिम्स एग्जाम में आ जाए. दिस इज द स्मार्ट वे टू कवर करंट अफेयर्स. सो इससे करंट अफेयर्स अच्छे से कवर हो जाएगा, ठीक है. That's it for today's video. I hope this video would be helpful for you to cover current affairs and address all questions based on current affairs. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching this. Bye.